today's episode of MotoCheez.
No, easy. Bump it over that one. It's the seam squeeze.
So I usually don't do my Jeep off-roading adventures, but I've been getting a lot of interest from you guys, so I figure I'd throw a little compilation together of the highlights to the last camping trip. Enjoy.
Beautiful job, people.
Feel water under your feet. Got her. Keep her rolling. 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 You got it. Oh, you had it. Cut left.
Yeah, they just cut
Now you got it. You definitely need lockers on this.
Yeah, it's fucking no way.
You think I could do it?
If you lock in, you can do it. We'll guide you through if you want to try it.
That seats are ridiculous.
They are.
The fucking tanks.
That's right.
Oh my god. It's so amazing.
You got it, you got it. You got it, you got it. It's all about getting that passenger tire up on that rock. Alright, start turning. Am I rolling behind? No, you're good. Hold on. Oh! No, easy, 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 easy. Alright, easy. Keep turning. Alright, now you're a little bit more level. Now, go forward, turn right, cut right, cut right. Alright, go nice and easy. Get behind you. Slow, slow. Nope, no, 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 no. Oh. Whoa. You got a video of that, bro? Hell yeah. Go straight back. Yo, don't worry about what. This thing you can't see. Straight back. Straight back. Alright. No, stop. We're gonna have to help him move that rock. And also this is turning up everything.
Yeah.
That's how we bought it. So glad I caught all that. Yeah. Alright, start straightening out. Alright, straight again. Drive into it. Nice and slow. Alright, straight.
This is sweet, coming down this.
Yeah. Yeah, I was like,
I was not expecting
I don't know why you
that.
brought it left. You must have fucking good parents.
That's why I called him. He was like, oh yeah, whatever.
I told you.
Did he leave? He went back?
I see what you're saying though about just ride it out.
Yeah.
Don't force it.
It's pretty steep. That's perspective.
Oh my gosh, it's too shaky. Yeah.
Holy shit.
This whole place would be fun to ride. Are you kidding?
Yeah?
Yeah. Dirt bikes, four-wheelers.
Oops, sorry. I didn't know you were right behind me. I stepped on you.
I know. This whole day has been the most stress I've been going 3 miles an hour.
Why? Because you don't trust it yet, or you just?
It's not that I don't trust the truck. I know the truck can handle it. The question is, I don't trust myself. You're doing great.
I think
The truck is fine. The truck doesn't give a fuck. That's what I tell people. Off-roading is 5 miles an hour. You have it. Yeah.
Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. I don't know what he's riding the bank there a little bit.
I think he's like right behind.
He's got it, he's got it.
I can't believe you got that.
Look you up a little bit, huh?
Yeah, that was fucking nice.
Like this.
Clone's knocking up against the door like he wants to get out of here. Damn.
Yeah, just let me know when everybody gets out of the rocks. We're gonna go into high range again, hit the forest road.
Keep going, keep going. Oh yeah. Keep going. Bump it over that one. Go, 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 bump. You got her, bump.
Keep going, keep going. Nice and easy. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, you got it. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah, yeah, perfect. Come this way, come this way.
Well, I think what's his name didn't want to do it either, though. He said he doesn't.
Yeah, Tacoma.
Doesn't have a snorkel or something.
Hey, you don't need a snorkel. You
No.
have a snorkel?
I do.
Do you need a snorkel?
Not for this.
shit out of the truck.
Taking us for a second.
Yeah, he's pushing water pretty good. Yeah, the current's taking him pretty good. Yeah, I see the current pushing you pretty good.
What in the world? That ain't Bigfoot. It's Bigfoot.
It's a Sam Squinch.
It's a Sam Squinch.
God damn.
You did it.
Someone give me a Jeep ticket so I can go incognito. Yeah.
Biker chick. Look out!
Gang.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if you don't want to look
Cheers.
at my there was I do want to group. My group.
Oh, look out! Z50.
Well, that was an absolute blast. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along. Good friends, good food, good wheeling. Can't get better than that. I don't know about you, but I love camping. Being able to take the bikes along and everything, pretty awesome. You guys let me know if you want some more camping videos with the Jeep. I definitely think my next investment's going to be a rooftop camper. Maybe a hardtop rooftop camper.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.